Hey, it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I have my first case for the Vivo X Flip. I know, I said I wasn't getting a case, but I'm a caseaholic, and y'all know this. But let me tell you, this is a nice case. Shout out to the carbon fiber look. I love carbon fiber cases on phones. They don't add a lot of bulk, so I always roll that way. So let's get into this one. Yes, that is purple. Not a lavender looking purple, but it'll go. Let's get into it. You can cop this case on eBay. It wasn't too expensive. Hopefully it's not gonna add much bulk. Let's see. It's gonna snap on. Ooh, I like it already. Because the texture of the phone is that vegan leather, it doesn't change the feel very much. This is very much plastic and not carbon fiber, though. I'm gonna let you know that. But man, that's a nice look. So I think anybody can rock this one. You know, a lot of people say, oh, flips are for girls. But this case is nice. Man, woman, cat, dog. You can get this case. We have 2 microphones, speaker, and a cutout for our charging port around the side. I like that touch. They put an indentation in here. What that means is you got room to put your whole thumb so you can get to that fingerprint unlock. Volume up and down rockers. Nothing covering your hinge. You really don't want anything covering your hinge. There's nothing around the left side. And that's the whole case. They have a cutout for your flash here so you don't interfere with your photography. And a lip around the camera. This should serve nicely when I get my tempered glass screen protector for my camera, because that should fit down in there right nicely. And I mean, I got access to my screen. I think this is a good case. I mean, it's better than I thought it was going to be. I will leave links in the description if you want to cop this. I love my foldables because they stand up on their own. Every imported foldable I bought recently is just like, it's a stand-up device. But either way, this has been an unboxing of the carbon fiber look case for the Vivo X Flip in purple and black. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did like the video, and if you've liked more than one video, if you've enjoyed the coverage so far on this phone, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more on this phone, hit the subscribe button. Subscriptions are free, memberships cost, and memberships have privileges. If you'd like to see what those privileges are, click on the join button. When you click there, it'll show you what the privileges are for each tier of membership. I'd like to thank you for your time, because time is money, and I hope to catch you on the next video.